Good morning. Today we're gonna do a monochromatic fall look. Let's get this money. My face is really dry, so I'm about to drench it. Let's do the rose water first, and then the quick fix. That'll do it. In real life, I would just like moisturize my face, but since I'm gonna be washing off this look shortly after I apply it, I don't wanna waste any moisturizer because that is actually a waste. So I think I'm gonna do my eyes first because I don't really know how this is gonna pan out. Like, I don't know if there's gonna be fallout or what, so we're just gonna wing it. I'm excited to be using this palette. I've used it before, definitely, but just not on camera. Yeah, so we're gonna stick with the browns. I want to do, like I said, a monochromatic look, and it's gonna be brown. I think we're gonna start with Sickening in the crease. Looks legit. I'm putting this color like in my crease but also above it and just blending it out because I want this color to show on the edges, but like strictly the edges because it's pretty warm. And although this look is going to be more warm tone because of the fact that it's brown, this one's just a little too orange. But it'll look really nice with the other browns that we're going to use. Get it? Got it? Good. That awkward moment when you can't find like one of your 5 brushes that you have. I'm going to take Hunty and put that also in the crease, but bring it a little bit lower as well. Now for the fun part, we're going to take Mug and put that on the lid and then blend it out like some pros. So with this being a monochromatic look, obviously I want most things on my face to be brown, but I don't have brown eyeliner. Well, I do, but not like liquid liner. But I do have this e.l.f. eyebrow gel that's brown and this sick brush. So I think we're gonna do winged liner with this. Now it is a gel, so it's probably gonna feel weird. But we're just gonna do a little wing because can't mess up a little wing. Well, I can't. Legit. Nice. Good job, Audi. Do you like my turtleneck? It's a dress, it's super cute. So I've been using this new acne face wash, whatever. It's for like adult acne. Why'd I do that? It's for adult acne. I have noticed a difference in my skin in a good way. I'll keep you updated on the status of that. And this is what I've been using for our foundation recently, and I really do love it. I've been using the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear foundation. When I bought it, I fell in love with it, and right now I'm a mix of these 2 colors, Valencia and Santa Fe. I use more of Santa Fe because I'm like pale-ish right now, but like I'm tan at the same time. 1 pump of that, not even a full pump of the darker shade, and then I mix it around doing a fall inspired look, but it's still 85 degrees outside. I'm gonna go back in with Sickening. Blend that just a little bit because we lost it. I'm gonna use a mixture of the Instant Age Rewind and the Fit Me Concealer, both by Maybelline. This Instant Age Rewind is so wonderful. I use these two concealers like pretty much every day, like pretty much every time I do my makeup, and they never fail me. To set my face, I'm going to use a mixture of Airspun, loose powder, and Laura Mercier. I forgot about my Airspun powder and how much I like it. Trick I like to do is putting yellow face powder on my little problem spots, just like dark areas on my face. It brightens them up instantly. I'll even put it in the corner of my eye, on my socket, and bring it down just a little bit. It makes such a difference. I'm gonna go back in with Sickening again. Okay, I'm gonna put Hunty on my lower lash line. A little bit of Mug. And blend a little bit of Sickening down there. So today we're gonna put on fake lashes. So I've come to the conclusion that for me, it is a million times easier to put my lashes on when I have mascara on already. I have made the mistake so many times. I have struggled so many times to put my lashes on, my bare lashes, and just like blend them in with mascara afterwards. No, that is not the way to go. The fact that my lashes are long and they already curl up, I'm putting a lash on. There might be like two of my actual eyelashes that are so curled that the lash band goes like underneath them. Oh my gosh, it's happened so many times. These are the eyelashes that I've been using like on an everyday basis. They're by Ardell, Faux Mink. Will you just look at that difference? Like, wow. Now I'm just gonna go back in with mascara and just blend my lashes in to my fake ones. Should I go all the way? No, I'm kind of going halfway. And for lips, we're gonna be using Mod by Anastasia, Beverly Hills. Here it is. This is the finished look, obviously. Your monochromatic fall look. this lip color is everything. Definitely makes it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something new or got some inspo for the upcoming colder seasons. I'm so ready for sweater weather and cropped hoodies and thigh-high boots and big chunky scarves. I'm ready for it. Ready for turtlenecks. Just kidding. Thanks for watching. Love you. I'll see you in my next one.